Some breaking news now coming in on the Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, who has written to MPs on the issue of statehood for the Union Territory. Remember, this has been a long-standing demand of Omar Abdullah. In fact, all the parties of Jammu and Kashmir demanding that statehood be returned to Jammu and Kashmir. So he's now written to MPs on this issue and has rallied the MPs on the issue of statehood, saying push for a bill in this Parliament session, in the monsoon session, demanding statehood for Jammu and Kashmir. This comes on the just after the 6th anniversary of Article 370 being removed and Jammu and Kashmir losing its position as a state and being a union territory being formed. Let's just listen into what Omar Abdullah had to say.
तमाम वो पार्टियां जिनकी एक अच्छी खासी तादाद है ऑनरेबल एमपीज़ की पार्लियामेंट में, उन्हें एक चिट्ठी लिखी है और उनसे गुजारिश की है कि जम्मू कश्मीर के साथ जो स्टेटहुड का वादा किया गया है उस वादे पे वो हमारी मदद करें और पार्लियामेंट में इस चीज़ को ज़ोरों शोर से उठाएं ताकि इसी सेशन में बिल आए और जम्मू कश्मीर जो है उसको दोबारा रियासत का दर्जा मिले। ये किसी एक फ़र्द की बात नहीं है, ये किसी एक पार्टी की बात नहीं है, ये हुकूमत की बात नहीं है, ये जम्मू कश्मीर के लोगों के साथ एक वादा किया गया है।
All right, so there you just heard Chief Minister Omar Abdullah making that demand for statehood and asking all members of parliament to really push for statehood in this current monsoon session. Remember, all parties of Jammu and Kashmir, in fact, were marching yesterday on the 6th anniversary of the statehood status, in a sense, being removed for Jammu and Kashmir. All parties of Jammu and Kashmir making that demand that the centre once again revert Jammu and Kashmir to a state. So Omar Abdullah asking for members of parliament, writing to them and saying that please push for this demand in this current monsoon session. Let's go across to Nazir Masoodi for more on this. And Nazir, this is one of those issues that all parties in the valley are united on. And now Omar Abdullah writing to MPs asking for them to push for this in this monsoon session. All right, we will try and connect with Nazir Masoodi, but that's the big breaking news we're bringing you right now, that Omar Abdullah has written to members of parliament asking them to push for a bill in this current monsoon session, demanding statehood for Jammu and Kashmir. This is a very emotional issue that all parties in Jammu and Kashmir are united on. In fact, they even held a combined march yesterday on the 6th anniversary of the revocation of Article 370, when statehood was removed from Jammu and Kashmir and it was made into a union territory. The territory of Ladakh was also separated as a separate union territory.